Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Computer Tips and Programming. So in today's video we are going to talk about a break statement, and break statement is just different from the continue. Okay, whenever you are using continue statement, your loop will be continue, it will skip only particular portion. But in case of break statement, your loop will stop there itself where you are using continue break statement. You can see this one. For example, this is our for loop. Okay, in for loop I equal to 0, I less than equal to 10, I plus plus. If I equal to 5, I have used break statement. So let's run this one and check the output. Okay, you can see here from 0 to 4 only, I gave the value 0 to 4 only and loop completed because we are using break statement. If I will just comment this one, you can find here it's giving 0 to 10. Okay, so this is the break statement use. Okay, if you need to use break statement, you can use in that way. Okay, so that's all for today topic. I hope you understand. Take care. Bye bye.